Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Tashruta Gupta, your ACCA mentor. So I know I'm a little late in making this video, but I still think that there are few students who would need this type of a video. So first of all, I'm going to cater to a very important question. Ma'am, should I wait for my results of the December attempt and then start my preparation? Question 1. Question number 2, if I have to start now, which exam should I pick up or what factors I need to consider while picking up an exam? If I've already selected an exam, now the question is also, should I pick another exam with it based upon my profile, I'm working or I'm full-time student? And if I should pick up another exam, what would be the best combination of exam? So in all these questions, many things are going to get covered. I will also cover which optional exam you can pick up in the professional level. So it's a very comprehensive video. So make sure you take out your 10 minutes and listen to it till the end. So guys, let me begin with whether or not you should wait for your results. See, I personally believe don't wait. Because if you wait for your results, that would be around 15th or 17th of January. That is almost 1 month from now. So 20-25 days. So I would say if you will waste those 20-25 days, see 20-25 days won't feel really huge as of now. But if you think about an exam cycle, it's just about 3 months. So 20 days out of 3 months is a big deal. So I do not prefer or I do not recommend people waiting for results. Start. Just attend the classes, maybe just go through the syllabus, read some chapters, give a kickstart so that by the time results come, I am actually done with some portion of my syllabus. Even though my ultimate guidance is always that, guys, before your results come, please make sure that majority of your syllabus is completed. So let me take an example. Let's suppose you guys sat in AA exam in your December attempt. And now you want to pick up SBR. So that was your last skill level. Now you want to pick up SBR in March. Now you are in a doubt whether or not I will pass this paper or not. Very natural. I mean, it's okay. So we are not sure that we are going to pass this or not. So now we are thinking, let the result come. Then I'll start the preparation of SBR. And if I pass, then I'll pick up SBR. If I don't, I'll redo AA. Your case can be different. Your exams can be different. But if this is the situation, I would highly recommend that please do not wait for the result of AA. Because if you fail this paper, okay, you need to compensate. You are not supposed to lose another 3 months. So if I was you, I would have started this SBR preparation or any other exam that I'm looking for. I would have started this preparation by the result date. I would have completed at least 50% of this paper. If 50% of my exam would be done by that time, then even if I have to pick up both of them, if the result is unfavorable, I can pick up both of them for my March attempt. So because I did not pass AA, I have already compensated for it and I said I'm not affected by the results. Even if I don't pass, I can pick up both of them together after the result date. And if I pass, then I'm on the right track for SBR. Now I can do a lot of practice for this subject in the remaining time. So there's no excuse for procrastination. There's no excuse of pushing the things ahead. So start now, start early. More time you'll devote, better practice you'll do, better mocks and assignments you'll write. So it's highly recommended that you start your preparation right away. Don't waste time. Right? Another question. Now, which exam should I pick up, ma'am? Which exam? See, if you are starting your skill level, if you are a student who's starting with skill level and want to pick out one paper, please pick up FR. Because this is accounting, as I always emphasize, accounting is something we all are familiar with. Accounting is something we all love. That's why we are into ACCA. So debits and credits are known to all, general to all. So pick up FR, it will make your life easy. Okay. If you want to pick up two papers, then pick FR and AA. Now, if you want to start your professional level, so for the professional level, I would say pick up one exam. If you're starting with a professional level, don't try to be the risk taker. If you're starting, if you're already given one P level, then you can take two exams together, but I would say if you're giving the P level for the first time, then pick up one paper, and that would be SBR. Not because I teach these subjects, FR and SBR, but because actually these are accounting, and accounting is love for all the ACCA students, right? This is our core. We know about debits and credits. So that's just an advancement in the concept of accounting. So that's why SBR in professional level. Now, if I talk about if you want to combine it with something, so if you guys are planning to take up AAA in your optionals, see, I am saying if you are planning. As of now, you might not be knowing which exam to pick up from my optional. So that's why I say give one paper. SBL do not combine with SBR because these are two very different exams and heavy too. So it's preferable that you keep SBR alone, SBL alone. But if you want to combine SBR with something ever, then please pick up AAA. These two go very well together. I would say bread and butter. Okay, so these are very well together because whatever we study in accounting, that we practically apply in auditing. We check the financial statements that we learn to prepare in SBR. So that would be a good choice. Now, after this, what? I'm already given these exams. What next? Best combinations that you can think of is in skill level, it is PM and FM. There's a huge overlap in these two exams as well. So you can pick up these two together. Keep taxation for, don't give it in March. That's not a rule of thumb, but that's a suggestion because if the tax rules are going to change in the June attempt, then let's suppose you were not able to give your tax paper due to any reason. You prepared for it, but you were not able to complete it, the preparation, and you were not able to sit for March exam. Now you want to sit for June attempt. So now the syllabus in the June attempt will change. So it's highly preferable that you do not give your taxation paper in the March attempt. You keep it for June, September, December, right? So skip March for taxation. Then what we have is we are done with these PM, FM, TX, FR, AA. So skill level done and dusted. Professional level, I'll say SBL, please keep it alone. Okay. Because this is a quite heavy exam in terms of practice, which is needed here, not the concepts, because we don't learn the models in SBL. We just learn the ways of writing answers. So that's why you can pick up SBL alone, and it's once again a very different or a unique kind of a paper where you get the pre-seen content, etc. So that's something which you've not done before. Correct. And then what we have is optionals. So which optional should I choose? I have few options in the ACCA exams, professional exams. I can choose advanced audit and assurance. I can choose advanced performance management. I can choose advanced financial management, and I can choose advanced taxation. So these are the exams out of which I have to choose two. So which two exams should you prefer to choose for your attempt? If your optional attempt is March attempt, so which exam you should choose? See, if you were good in audit, one way of deciding is how was your performance in skill level. So how was your performance in AA, in skill level, in PM, in skill level, in FM, and in TX? Okay. So if you base your decision on this, I won't say performance, but your taste. So if when I was doing my ACC, I was very sure that I like audit, I like IFRSs, right? I don't like taxation. So I was very sure when I was preparing for that qualification. So similarly, I think you guys will also have some tastes developed that I like FM, I like PM, and I just don't like I perform well as well, right? I'm able to apply my skills in this paper. This is something which suits me. So based on that, you can decide which two of these four exams suits best for you. Another way is going with the market. So if you talk about job market, which are the two most preferred exams? See, anyway, when you will be doing your job, nobody will ask you which optional paper you've done. But once you get into the job, I would say two exams which helps you the most without any biasness will be ATX and AAA. ATX, because if you are working with SME clients or you are doing taxation work, that's very practical work, and that you can do freelancing for that as well. So that would give you some advantage, some rules will be fresh in your mind. You'll understand the tax planning part. So this will help you. And audit, of course, we all know ACCAs are either accountants, auditors most of the times, okay? So I would say audit is something which has a very good market value, so you can pick up that as well. So ATX and AAA, these are the most preferred exams. Now, if I go by pass rate, see pass rate, I would say pass rate for two exams is very high and two exams is very low. Audit's pass rate is between 30 to 34% each attempt. ATX is also a good pass percentage paper. I think it is something like 45 to 50% kind of a paper. Same with AFM, it's also good. APM, once again, just like AAA, it's really bad. So I would say avoid the paper if you have no interest, if you had no interest in PM. So there's no point picking up APM, right? Because anyway, it's a very not so good pass percentage. So there's no point of picking up an exam which has a low pass percentage and I don't have an interest in that. But if I had a lot of interest in PM, so I can take the risk of picking up this paper if I'm sure about my skills, my knowledge, right? So I can pick up APM as well. So you can base your decision on the basis of these four factors: pass rate, market, my skill, and my taste performance, right? So this is how you can decide your optional exams. Now, whether I should give one exam in March attempt or I should make a combination. So I should give two exams or just one exam. See, this depends upon what is your timetable, what is your schedule. In the upcoming few months, upcoming 2.5 months, what all things you have, performance obligations you have from family perspective, from your work perspective. Do you have a picnic to attend, trip to attend, marriage to attend? So based on that, make a decision. Are you working? Can you take out time? How many work from home days you have in this upcoming few months? Is there any busy season? So based on that, you have to decide, I have to go for one exam or two exams. See, don't take that, strike a balance. Do take risk, but don't take extra risk. Don't be over. Keep it normal, right? So you have to strike a balance. If you think I can put an extra effort after my working hours, or maybe this time I have a lot of work from home days left, or I have a lot of holidays left, so I can pick up, or there's a lot of holidays coming due to the festivals, Christmas, New Year, and then for Indians, we have Republic Day. So there are a lot of things coming up, so I can manage. There are long weekends, so I can manage two papers. So if you can devote around 3 to 4 hours of study starting from now till the day of your exam, if you spread it. See, if you don't spread it, then towards the end you'll have to study more. That would be a deferred tax liability. So if you have 3 to 4 hours to study from today, then please pick up two exams. There's no harm in that. But if you do not have this time, if you're barely managing 1 or 2 hours, let it be one exam. We'll do it qualitatively. We'll not overburden ourselves. But if we have time, then go for it. One suggestion I can do, given the situation, that if you want to pick up two papers, now you know the best combinations, right? So if you want to pick up two papers and you're waiting for the result as well, so pick up one as of now, study that one till the day of result, wait. If the previous exam is cleared, then you will pick up the next one. It's fine if you pick up the next paper on 15th of January, fine. It's okay. And once it is not cleared, for example, then I can pick up that previous one and the new one that I just started now. So that way your things will be organized and sorted. So just make a plan according to your schedule, your timetable, and your preferences. Correct? So this is how you can decide which exam to pick up for the March attempt. And I hope this video, this guidance video helped you. And if you're planning to give FR, SBR, AA or AAA, for AA students, I have something coming up in the month of January. And if you're picking up AAA, FR, SPR, then please visit our website, TG Professionals. You can find the link in the description box and you can enroll yourself for the upcoming batches and classes for these subjects. So I hope this video was helpful. If not, you can still comment down your doubt. If yes, then also you can still comment down and let me know. That would be an encouragement for me. Thank you for watching it till here. See you in the next one.